Hello, welcome to Aurora LED Systems booth here in Central Hall, booth C6503 of InfoComm 2026. And this year we're showing an all new product. This is our fine pitch outdoor kiosk. In this demo example, we're showing a one-sided display with a printed material on the other side. This is a very fine pitch, but it can be gotten dual-sided as well. 1.5 millimeter, we can go down at least to 1.2 millimeter, but very bright. 4,000 nits, has glass covering, so it protects it not only physically, but also from UV degradation. So you have plenty of brightness, you have plenty of fine pitch resolution for even the very detailed messaging. It's a permanent installation that is heavy duty bolted into the subsurface, say concrete or whatever. It has active cooling, so base intake, base exhaust. Service is very simple. You're not going to do so, but you open up the outer glass doors with a particular lock tool, and then once the glass door is open, you actually can swing the entire screen out for service. That's where all your power and stuff, so you can program it for time, you can change, you can live input via external input, LAN control, USB, media player. So these are custom ordered, and we even have a larger size available. So if you have any interest in this kind of display, whether it be information or signage outside of a house of worship, please contact us at AuroraLEDsystems.com, and thank you for coming.